Welcome to the WordPress Ultimate Security channel. In this video, we're going to cover how to enforce secure password habits on your WordPress site using the NIST guidelines. To get started, make sure you have installed Ultimate Security plugin on your WordPress. Standard WordPress passwords often fall short of modern security standards, leaving your site vulnerable to brute force attacks. By automating your password policy, you protect your user accounts, secure sensitive data, and eliminate weak links. Let's head over to Settings, click on Login and Authentication, then Login Hardening and select Password Requirements. First, we'll toggle on Enable Password Policies. Now, you might wonder what makes a truly strong password. Our plugin's advanced rules are designed to align with the NIST guidelines, the National Institute of Standards and Technology. Modern NIST standards emphasize password length and complexity over arbitrary character rotation, ensuring protection against advanced automated hacking tools. To make things easy, we offer pre-configured presets. Let's select the Enterprise preset. Notice how it instantly scales the minimum length to 16 characters and requires a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and special characters. You can also customize password history tracking, expiration periods, grace periods, email notifications, and more advanced settings right here. Once you are happy with the rules, scroll up and hit Save Changes. Your global password policy is now active across your entire WordPress site. Let's see this policy in action. We'll navigate to Users and click on All Users. Now, we're going to create a new user profile to test how the registration handles the new security restrictions. Fill out the basic information: username, email, first name, and last name. Below, you'll see the live hints dynamically showing exactly what our new NIST aligned policy requires for a valid password. Now, see what happens if someone tries to bypass the policy. At first, we'll input a strong password that perfectly meets our new NIST rules. But watch what happens when we backspace and remove the special character. The system immediately flags the password because it no longer contains any special characters, dropping the strength meter down. Even if we try to force the account creation by clicking Add User, WordPress completely blocks it because our mandatory rules aren't fully met. Once we add the required special character back, the password is granted and the user is successfully created. Enforcing modern NIST password guidelines is one of the most effective ways to protect your site from brute force attacks. Ready to secure your website? Download Ultimate Security, link in the description. If you found this video helpful, give this video a like, subscribe to our channel for more security tips, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video.